Science and Discovery, Kaleidoscope, Tube Di, the In the heart of a bustling town school, a curious class of 6 to 8-year-olds huddled together, ready for a thrilling adventure in discovery. The day was Monday, and it was time for their favorite subject, science and discovery. Miss Johnson held up a mysterious tube, a kaleidoscope, and asked the children to gaze inside. A mesmerizing array of colors swirled before their eyes, leaving them amazed at this magical sight. Curious eyes sparkled as Miss Johnson passed around an assortment of colorful objects to be added into the kaleidoscope tubes. Excitement filled the air as they worked together, experimenting and learning new things. With careful hands, the children measured each object and placed them strategically within their kaleidoscope tubes. They marveled at how changing an item's position altered the patterns that danced before their eyes. As each child finished their unique creation, they proudly shared it with their classmates and Miss Johnson taught it. Seeing the joy on their faces as they admired each other's work was truly priceless. Miss Johnson led a thoughtful discussion about what they had observed in their creations. They debated the differences between each other's designs and marveled at how changing just one small detail could create such a significant impact. The children carefully recorded their observations and any questions that arose during their discussions. They knew they would investigate these curiosities further as they continued to explore the fascinating world of science. Miss Johnson explained how light reflected and refracted in the mirrors of their kaleidoscope tubes, creating beautiful patterns. The children listened attentively as they learned about the science behind this mesmerizing device. With newfound understanding, the children were eager to put their knowledge into action. They experimented with different materials, observing how each one changed the patterns in their kaleidoscope tubes. As they completed each experiment, the children recorded their findings in their notebooks. They excitedly shared their discoveries with one another, discussing what they had learned and marveling at each other's results. Miss Johnson concluded their day of discovery by congratulating the children on their hard work and reminding them that there was always more to learn. They left the classroom with a sense of wonder, eager to continue their exploration of the world around them. As they settled into their beds that night, Miss Johnson told them a bedtime story about the vastness of the universe and all its hidden secrets. The children were captivated by her words, their eyes wide with curiosity as she promised to guide them on more adventures in science.